Dulac, Louisiana is a coastal community sitting just 3 feet above sea level AJ+, 2015. Once abundant with land, now invaded by the Gulf of Mexico, Louisiana along with Dulac is reported to be losing the equivalent of a football field of land every minute to the Gulf of Mexico. By the year 2100, all of Dulac is predicted to be underwater AJ+, 2015. Locals attribute this in part to land sinkage as a result of oil and gas extraction in the area, which further exacerbates sea level rise on this coastal community. Surrounding areas in Louisiana continue to invest in levee systems to help fend off the threat. However, many in Dulac know the community won't exist for future generations and plan on mass relocation efforts. This rise of sea level is also causing saltwater intrusion, which is destroying vegetation and wildlife habitats, further affecting Dulac. The thousands of acres of marshy vegetation used to slow and weaken incoming hurricanes before they hit landfall. Without this, the coastal region of Dulac becomes even more at risk of increased storm damage.